You know, Jets FC training camp. Hello guys, so welcome back to another video, another training day, and this is the day after yesterday's video, so consecutive training tayo. And so for our warm-up, we're just going to do some ball feeling, inside and laces touches. Ayan. And before this, we also did some body weight workout pero hindi ko na na-record. And for today, our focus on training is some scenarios for attackers and defenders as well. So ayan, we will train receiving with back to goal from a throw in and also some finishing. This can also be good training for Renz, which is a defender, because yan, dinedefend niya yung mga attacking scenarios na iti-train ko. So I'll show you guys some of the drills that we did. Sige, okay lang. Kagawa. Nice! Ay, yung lakas lang. Control it, control it. Pinakamaayos mag-volley sa ating tatlo. Bro, ito kami. Uy! Sagi! Nice one, ah. Yes. Aray ko, yung tuhod ko. Ah, sakit. Oh, last one na to. Bubombahin ha. Hindi ko na binabomba ha. Next is some agility and footwork. And so, just training yung proper technique sa turns. And yeah, not going all out dito, just trying to do the technique nung pag-turn. Oh, fuck! Yeah! Hindi naman yung turn ko eh. And the next drill, we did a more of scenario to. So it's receiving from a throw in. So for a forward, back to goal. And then yan, for a defender, it's training defending a forward na nagpo-post up or holding the ball back to goal. So yan, we're training this because previous game ko nung dun sa Acacia 11 aside, I lost the ball on a number of occasions on this scenario. So just trying to work on this one. And then the next is 3-shot finishing. So tatlong scenario. First one is from a 1-2 layoff shot, 1 touch. And then second is 1v1 cut inside. And then third is from a cutback. And so tuloy-tuloy yan. And then second variation, we did dalawang cutback. So yung first cutback is ground pass. And then pass back sa akin, 2 touch shot. And then last one is volley. So I'm just working on my finishing sa small goals.
Play. Tayo mag-start. Yes, ground ball. Baka. Balik. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Parehas na pa sa pangat ha. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Go.
And for the last one, more of a fun part na to. So we're training here for Renz, his passing. So he will chip the ball to me, and as a striker, I need to finish it in 1 touch or 2 touch as much as possible. So ayan, my girlfriend, she's a former goalkeeper. And so yeah, we will play a 7-a-side tournament. So I'm training in case striker. Minsan yung mga striker nag-aabang lang and then waiting for a tap in, and then for Renz, training for him to find this type of passes lang.
Yeah. Yan. Go! Diretso. Yan. Go!
And then finishing then, now for my girlfriend, siyang mag-shot. So ayan, nag-aabang pa rin ako sa goal, but this time, instead of shooting, I'm going to pass back or make a layoff for her to finish.
Go, shoot. Tara, first touch. Yes. Shot. Yes. Yes. Proceed. Go. Yes.
After training, brush na kami. So, mag-edit lang ako ng content. Mag-shoot content. Mag-edit mamaya. Pero yan, bago yan, brunch lang kami. So, we have Milo. Hindi ikaw, pinapatay pagkain.
Bad ako.
Pero makita ng huz. Ayan, may tinapay kami. Sarap magluto. Sino nagluto? Sino nagluto lang? Itong ulam.
Ikaw.
Yan. So, tikman namin yan. Recovery. Tapos mamayang hapon, maglalaro kami open play. Konting training din before that. So, yan. 2 times a day kami. Training camp. Let's go. After open play kami. Tapos, ayun, kasama pa namin sila Marcus. So, 2 times kami naglaro. Kanina training umaga. Actually, di ba, nag-ano pa tayo eh. Nag-strengthening tayo ng umaga. Well, light lang yun. Tapos, bola. Tapos na hapon laro. Injured na to.
Sakit na ng katawan.
So, pahinga kami bukas. Thursday ulit.